Now this is going to be a very short part, and in this part I'll be showing you how you can retrieve the key of your blog post when someone clicks on it, and then later you can use it to send user to some other intent. So right now the first thing that I want to do, I'm gonna just remove the comment over here and the whole thing, just so that we are not setting up the on-click listener for the text view, but we are setting for the whole view. All right, the card view. Then over here, what we actually want to do, we want to get the key of the blog post that we have retrieved over here. Now if you remember how we post the data is, we add in the child keys over here, then they have their values, but the main key you can't retrieve it directly from here. As you can see that inside our blog.java file, there's no way to get the key, but that's also not difficult. It's actually pretty easy to do. What you need to do, you can just say string, and then I'm going to call it post key inside our populate view holder, obviously. So this requires the position, so exactly where we are tapping on, so the position is required to get the key. Then we're going to say get ref. All right, and this contains this takes a integer that's going to be the position. So position is retrieved over here, so we can just pass in directly. So now what you can actually do, let me just convert it to string. All right, and instead of setting the post the string, I'm just gonna say post. All right, post key. But this is actually not the post key that we are retrieving. This is just a sample to show you guys what actually it retrieves from get ref. Let's run the app and see what happens. And so one thing that I want to announce is soon I'll be launching a forum section there. You can ask as many questions as you want, and if people can help, they'll do for sure, and if they are not able to do, I'll reply you guys there. So I'm going to click on the card view over here. As you can see that when I tap on it, it shows us the whole string, the whole URL that this post has. So let me just click on this one. This is actually the third post over here. If I click on here, this is actually the post data. It will show me over here. Just wait for it. Too slow, no problem. This should show us the data. Let me just refresh the page. I don't know why it's getting too slow, but that's probably my internet connection. All right, what the point of this is that it will show the data of the post over here. Yeah, this is showing it over here. But when you click on it, you can see that the string return is actually the whole URL of this one over here, the post. So if you guys are getting me now, you may already know how you can get the key. Is actually pretty simple. Instead of toString, I'm going to say get key. So that's it. So I'm going to run the app again, and let's wait for it. All right, now I'm going to tap here. Tap here, you can see that it returns us the key of the blog post. Now you guys know how you can retrieve a key. Now what I want you guys to do is, instead of just making a toast, I want you guys to send the user to a single activity, a single post activity, where you send create an intent, send extra the key as an extra, and then on the new intent you just retrieve it, the key, and then you retrieve the image, the title, and the description over there. And if you guys don't get it, don't worry about that. I'll be posting a tutorial tonight or maybe tomorrow night with some more features to add comments or likes. So see you guys later.